All right, so now we're going to look at factoring, and then we're going to solve on top of that. So we're combining like both skills we've been learning. Remember, as soon as we see factor, right away we're thinking x and then box. So I go ahead and draw a big X here. First step for the x is you have to find A, B, and C. Up top goes my A times C, so 1 times -3 is -3. Down below goes our 2. So now we're thinking, what multiplies to give me 3 and add -3 and adds to give me a 2? So it has to be 3 and 1, because 3 is prime. And then I need to multiply to get negative, add to get a positive 2. So if that's the case, my 1 has to be negative. Okay, so 3 times -1 is -3. 3 plus -1 is 2. From there, let's box it up. Got our first term in the top left, last term in the bottom right. And then on my x's or my diagonals, I'm going to go to the side of the x's. So I'm going to have 3x, -1x. From there, let's find what we have in common. So my top row has an x, bottom row has a 3. First column has an x, second column has a 1, but since my x is negative, I'm going to make it a -1. So we're going to do the same thing we did the other day, list out both the factors. So I got x minus 1, x plus 3, set them equal to 0 this time. The order on these does not matter. Does not matter which one comes first. Now we're going to split them. So you have x minus 1 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0, and then you solve. Giving me solutions of x equals 1, x equals -3. Example B, we're going to go the same route. So factor, you got to find A, B, and C. Make our x. Up top, I got 1 times 15 is going to be 15. Down below goes my 8. So the factors of 15, numbers that multiply to give me 15 and add to give me 8, will be 3 and 5. We're going to box it up. So x squared, 15, 3x, 5x. Top row has x, bottom row has 3, first column has x, second column has 5. Okay, I can divide each of these numbers by 5. The bottom row, each of those could have been divided by 3. Giving me x plus 3, x plus 5. And then again, we're going to break them and solve. Give me -3, -5. And that is it for section 10.5.